Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you meet Azure for Students eligibility and have a school email or digital student ID ready. Create or sign into a Microsoft account using that institutional address. This is how Microsoft verifies student status without a credit card. Once signed in, choose the Azure for Students offer and follow the prompts to start verification. Don't skip reading what documentation is accepted. Doing so saves time during verification and gets your free credits and services activated faster. After initiating the offer, complete identity verification by responding to the school email link or uploading the required student ID image. This confirms you without requiring a card. Once verified, Azure creates an Azure for Students subscription, and you should immediately set a default resource group and region for deployments. Next, enable Cloud Shell or install Azure CLI locally so you can deploy quickly. Finally, pick from the eligible free services and templates to spin up a small VM, database, or app service for hands-on testing. Deploy a small workload and use the cost management dashboard to watch credits and free tier limits. Azure for Students includes usage caps so you won't be charged. Make sure to keep subscriptions tidy. Delete test resources when done, and set alerts for credit exhaustion. You only convert to pay-as-you-go if you voluntarily add payment details. If verification or activation fails, re-attempt using your official institution email or upload a clear student ID. Contacting student services for a confirmation email often resolves stuck verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.